bag. Ila tinanay niya. Bye. This is a very special month. A very, very special month. As you know, I'm living abroad for, nearly 25 years. We rarely get to see each other. But know this, despite that, you know I love you. You know I care about you. You know that you're one of my bestest of friends. And on this very special month, your month, I'd like you to know that I'm thinking about you, that I care about you. Moz, happy St. Patrick's Day.
Sa akong pinalanggang amigo na Sugbuanon, si Buboy, si Sir Timmy. Kamusta? Kamusta mo, pre? Hinaol ta naa ka sa maayong kahimtang karon. Hope everything is okay. Kamusta man ang trabaho di, pre? Kamusta man ang pamilya? May gamta, di ka magapil-apil ka na mga gubot-gubot ron, ha? Kay para nas mga batanon. So, hinaot unta, dili ka magpalabi, di ka magpalabi sa imong mga pa-happy-happy diha, sa imong mga kalihukan. Timos, my friend, my brother, how are you? Wish you all the best. Og, what na ilain, God bless. Okay? Happy Independence Day. Love you.
Sa akong amigo, na dili gwapo pero uso, na pangalan Buboy, Tim, Art. Nalipay mi karon para sa imuha, sa nahitabo karong bulana. Unta na ami din ha, pero sa unta man gyud nig lagyo man gyud ta. God bless you always, amigo. Nagwapo. Happy Fire Prevention Month. God bless, amigo.
Kuya Art, ang pinakakuyaw gid nako nga amigo, pinakakusgan sa tanan. Karong bulana magsaulog ta sa mga importante nga aktibidades sa atong kinabuhi. Labaw sa tanan, kaya kailangan nato malipayon, kailangan mahigugmaon, sama sa color sa akong salina, pula. Ang pula nagsimbolo ni siya og mahigugmaon. Mao kailangan mahigugmaon gyud ka sa tanan. Og labaw sa tanan kay tigulang naman ta. Ato ag yung alagaan ng atong kasing-kasing. Happy Valentine's Day!
Musti, my friend. Kamusta mo sa akong higala si Buboy. Karong bulana sa ulog kita sa importante kayong pangitabo, no, sa imong kinabuhi. Duma ka nun na imos, tagay ka mahal nimo, naadi ang imong pamilya, no, na imong mga amigo, amiga, o mga barkada. Pero kaya mong mga barkada, ayaw yung tuwa na nila. Sige lang kagdaog-daog ko na anak, sige lang sulti ka na, palangga ka nila. Ikaw rin binuhaag na nila. Bitaw mos, akong higala, pohon kita-kita ta, no? Sa sunod pohon, sa umaabot nga pista sa Iligan. Viva Señor San Miguel! Viva!
Timos, hi! Uy, kabalo ka, nako nga regret. is gamay ra kay atong oras nga ni adto mig Cebu. Kulang ra jud niya pila na katuig wala nag-uban. So wala na ko nasulti tanan sa imo ha. Ang akong gusto masulti. So I'm gonna take this opportunity to tell you how important you are and how much you mean to me and how much I really appreciate your friendship. So with that said, happy Black History Month. Okay? Happy Black History Month, kayo most. Okay, bye.
Uy, happy birthday! 50th na day tabay. So, golden boys na day kabay. Happy more birthdays to come. God bless, Goy. 50 years old na tabo, Goy. Pero ikaw yung naunang 50. Pero dili pa ko. Enjoy.
Hi Artemio, happy birthday. I've heard 50 na ka daw. Sus Ginoo ko, tigulang na kay ka daw, no? 50 years old. Golden na ka, golden man. So, pag-enjoy din ha, ayaw kalagot kay akong birthday dugay pa. So, dugay pa ko mahimong 50, dugay pa ko mag-golden. So, pag una-una sa din ha, but don't worry about it. It's just number. So, 50 lang, number na ay kahadlok ano dong. So, for as long as you feel young, look young, and you think young, okay lang na. 50 lang na yun. Number na siya, uy, ay kahadlok. So, anyway, enjoy. Happy birthday once again and enjoy being 50. Happy birthday to you.
Kuya Artie! Happy birthday! Party! Wishing you all the best, bye, and I hope to see you soon and many more years to come. Enjoy!
Birthday greetings from Canada to Mr. Artemio Villanueva, aka Timos, a very good friend, batchmate in LaSalle, cousins because we have the same last name, and former soccer teammates. Actually, Timos and I were born on the same day, so that means I am also celebrating my 50th on this day. I know reaching the milestone of a 50th birthday is a momentous occasion, but it doesn't mean that we are old. 50 is just a number. We are actually 18 with 32 years of life experiences. Again, happy birthday to the both of us. May this year be filled with joy, good health, and prosperity to you and your family. Regards to all, and see you soon.
Hey, happy birthday, golden boy. You're already 50 years old, brother. Ayun. You know what? Nakoy, di ko makatag-message. Load ang message. Nakoy epic ba na natin experience. Katong bata pa ta siguro mga around grade 5, grade 6. Katong every December nagpabuto kanyon. Tapos that time, nagbala ko ng kalburo. Tapos sa sobrang mong kiti-kiti, di ka hulat. Nagsindi ka ng yung pansindi. Tapos disilip mo sa dulo. Nung pagsilip mo, ning vacuum yung apoy. Tapos, ning buto siya mong naong. Anong nangyari? Dagan ka. Pagbalik mo, hurot na. Wala namang kay kilay. Tsaka pilok. That's an epic, man. Anyway, happy birthday. Joey out. A peace.
Hello, Koy! Happy birthday! Wishing you a wonderful day filled with love, joy, and laughter. May this year bring you happiness, good health, and success in all that you do. Enjoy your special day, Koy! God bless! Happy birthday again!
Hello! Artem Jr. Happy birthday! Happy 50th birthday, mga pita! Taod-taod daw nagkita boy, no? Si Mami o si Lovely si December nagkita mi few years back, pero ikaw wag ko kita nimo. But anyway, happy birthday. I wish na maayo imong lawas. Imong pamilya, God bless. Sa mga plano ni mas kinabuhi, hopefully madungagan nag-isa ang imong anak, hopefully lalaki na unta. Para na Artemio the second na siguro. But anyway, boy, amping permi many birthdays to come. Hopefully magkita tapuhon with all the family na kining close family, friends. Happy birthday, love you. Si Mami, si Ninang, Eve, si Lovely, o si Isay, regards to them. Imong asawa, imong anak. Love you all. Happy birthday, boy. God bless all. God bless to all. I mean, God bless you. Amping kanunay. Bye, boy. Happy birthday.
Hi, Art! Surprise! Wow! It's been a while since I've last heard from you, but good thing it's a small world. Tessa and I have been working in the same workplace, and I also saw Lovely a few weeks back, and I did not realize that you are already 50 years old. You're old, dude! Well, actually, dili ra ta magkalayo og edad, but mas tiguwang ka. Well, I want to wish you a happy birthday. More blessings to come, good health for you and your family, and I can't help but remember our Converges days way back then. There were times when you were emotional during one-on-ones because you had to deal with personal challenges, but despite you going through personal challenges, you still continue to show up for work on a daily basis, and you still continue to deliver what was expected of you. So I knew then that you were the type of person who can go a long way, and for now, I want to wish you a happy birthday. Once again, more blessings to come, and God bless to you and to your family.
Hi, boy. May gabi I hope kaila pa ka nako, no? Well, I'm very thankful and grateful sa imong duha ka dekada sa life. Nag-ila ta. Not only as good neighbors, as well as good friends. So, daghan po tayo memories, no? Di lang na ko i-share kay PG-13 man. Well, anyway, boy, happy 50th birthday. Wish you all the happiness in life and more blessings to come, and most of all is I wish you na good health always. So diya na magyud ta, mao magyud na gyud kasagara karon. Health is wealth. Okay? Happy birthday again, and enjoy your day, and God bless. Happy birthday, boy.
Boy, happy 50th birthday, bye. No, imo din ning silingan. Imong childhood nga silingan si Buboy pod. Ikaw si Biboy, ako si Buboy. B1, B2. Di ko kalimot ninyo ba, especially sa atong mga silingan nga magdula tayo lang San Luis ug sa inyo pong balay. Di po ko kalimot sa inyong balay, kay haunted house man to. Char lang. Anyway, bye. Enjoy your birthday and praying for more birthdays to come. No, kita tanan, no, praying for good health and long life by especially sa Mohab, kay Mohab ni nga adlaw. So enjoy your 50th birthday. Sige, bye.
Hi there, guys. Hi there, neighbors. How are you? Tita Evelyn. Hi, Tita. How are you? Lovely, Tessa and Kuya Boboy, how are you all there? We miss you here in Iligan City. And Lovely, thank you for this opportunity na maka-greet taon sa ato ang pinakakusgang kuya, our golden boy, Kuya Boboy. Kuya Boboy, I hope maka-remember pa sa ako ang pinakamanghod nilang diba? Anyway, si Kuya Boboy, as I remember, siya yung typical na kuya na mahilig ayaw maghilabot sa mga ni Lovely every time na magdula may way back here in Iligan City. And siya po na siya din ang kuya na mo na willing rin po mo kat-kat o ka ng mansaritas bitaw guys, ka ng cherries bitaw na ka ng gagmay kana katkatan niya nakuhaan niya, and then iya pong ipakaon sa mua. Anyways, Kuya Boboy, have a blessed birthday, wishing you all the best in life, and may you have a good health. And
Hello, boy! How are you? 50 years old ka na pala. Naku, bata pa yan.
Kasoy boy, kasoy.
Boy, happy 50th birthday. Inapunta nga mahiyo pang lawas. Ug atong sa patong relationship sa ubang tao. Then I hope medyo ni may mong birthday karong adlaw. And more birthdays to come. And sampit lang ta sa Ginoo as always. Thank you.
Hello kay Boobs, happy birthday. So di na to ako mga tana sa imong edad, kay 40 naman ko, tapos mas magulang man ka na ako, tapos naibawon man na gyapon ako, 50 naman na ka. So happy 50th birthday kuya. Muna ng mga panahon na mas meaningful kung message na ko sa imo o more birthdays to come, and I wish you good health, especially in the future years. So mo na gyud yung mga panahon na mo tungtong tag 30, 40 basta na mo message ato sa birthday, maski ako gani na more birthdays to come, medyo nanay unod, di ba? So at least gamay na lang kulang ikaw ako madungagan na tong card, kabalo na kaunsa na card, no? So membro na punta na association pohon, dili lang ikaw. So, importante at least sa tong tuhod, kusgan, then malipayon lang gyapon ta permi. Ako lang kuan sa imo is ang imong character na sukad gyud bata pa ta. Ganahan ko sa imong pagka-cool na cousin. Wa kay labad gyud na tawo, sukad atong nailhanti kag mas maayo sa medical. Wala kay pili. I mean, kabalo ka mo dalag tao. Kung isa pa kaganahan gid si mo gyud kay kaarte. Kay arte sa mga pagkaon, wa hata mga unsaon na kung unsay naadira plaster na food, kaon gyud ka. So dito ko ni believe gyud mas maayo sa imo. So happy ko kung unsay mo naabot gyud karon sa tanan ko. So I pray for more blessings gyud sa imo, sa imong life ug sa imong family. Kita na ko na imong pagka maayo na asa tatay o asa husband also. So na-improve gid ka kuya. So I wish you happiness sa imong adlaw o padayon gyapong smile kuya. Bahala pag unsa na natong idara pohon. Happy birthday. I wish to see you soon and the rest of the family there in Cebu. Happy birthday. Ako mga batos tulog kay night shift man ko. Happy birthday. We love you so much. Enjoy.
Hello, Kuya Buboy, Kuya Bubing. Happy birthday. Nakurat kay mi nga 50 na di ay ka. But nakurat sa May nga 50 na ka pero baby face gihapon. Charot. But tinuod na siya. Anyway, I pray nga padayon gyapon ka sa pag-take care sa imong family, but most of all, take care imong kaugalingon. Tapos, salamat sa tanan natong mga memories sa Cebu, nga bibo kaayo. Salamat sad sa katong pag-visit nimo sa amo, na nami sa Cebu. Namit nimo si Jacob ug si Louie, and also sa paman. Ayog kalimot og sampit sa Ginoo. Sa matag unsa nga hitabo sa imong kinabuhi, malipayon man nga mga nangahitabo, naabay mga blessings or naglisod ba, sampit pirmi sa Ginoo. Amping always and hope to see you again pohon dira sa Cebu. God bless you and your family and hope enjoy nimo ayo mong birthday and ma-value nimo ang imong mga blessings and pasalamat ka sa Ginoo. See you, Koy. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Kuya. Happy birthday, Kuya Buboy. God bless you always. Ang say handa nato ron. Sigurado ko na yung pansit. Kay mo ng paborito. Happy birthday again. God bless.
Hi, Kuya. Happy birthday. Regards from all of us. From Pulomolok, from Tacloban, Team Mikey, Manoy, and Atala, my family in Pulomolok, all our love and kisses sent to you. Our prayers for good health and more blessings to come, Kuya. We miss you. We love you. Happy birthday.
¡Feliz cumpleaños!
Happy birthday, Kuya. Si Spanish, no? My colleagues here, they want to greet you. Jesus, happy birthday.
Feliz cumpleaños. Feliz cumpleaños.
Happy birthday, Kuya Mos. God bless. Mwah.
Ay, Kuya Buboy! Happiest birthday to you. Kuya, thank you so much for always being there and for the unlimited humor. You always brighten up the day every time I come to your place with your family. Thank you so much for enduring my antics during my first breakup. Kaulaw lang gyud. Yucks. Anyway, thank you for being you. We love you so much and enjoy the rest of your half-life. Happy birthday again. Love you. Bye-bye.
Boy, we wish you the best and the happiest birthday ever.
Happy birthday, boy. Have a blast.
Enjoy your birthday.
Go.
Happy birthday, Kuya Buboy. Nag-birthday ko ni Amo Diring Duha. Wala lang. 50 na daw kuno ka.
Kuya, happy birthday, guys. Naray. Birthday mi, gubog-gubog na ganyan sugod, no?
Wala, oy.
Kape ba?
Mas kila kayo nangalok. Enjoy,
Bye-bye.
Kuya.
Enjoy.
And have a blast. Bye.
Kuya, anak Jud Permi. Happy 50 kaya. Bye-bye. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Tito Boy. Happy birthday, boy.
Happy birthday, Gaw.
Amping.
We love you.
God bless.
Amping. Kabalo kag asa may pagitaon. Kung nasa ganahan suruyan, kung ganahan ka magkigstorya ra.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Uncle Boboy. I love you, I miss you. Happy birthday. Ikaw na, happy birthday.
Birthday.
Happy birthday.
Hi, Tito Boboy. Happy birthday. We love you, we miss you, and wishing you good health always. Tigulang nagjud ka. Ready? Sing!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Again.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Wait. Again. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Wait. Hooray! Wait. Last na to. Bye!